We'll guide you through how to use Mailchimp for email marketing. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Mailchimp website and log in to your account. If you're new, you can create a free account to get started. Once you're logged in, head over to the dashboard. You'll see an option that says Create at the top right corner. Click on it and select Email from the drop-down menu. This is where you start crafting your email campaign. You can choose between regular emails, automated emails, or plain text emails depending on your needs. For beginners, it's best to start with a regular email. Now, give your campaign a name. This is just for your reference and won't be seen by your subscribers. Next, you'll be asked to choose your audience. If you've already uploaded a contact list, select it here. If not, you can upload a CSV file of your subscribers by clicking on Add Contacts. Once your audience is selected, click Begin to start designing your email. Mailchimp offers a variety of templates, so pick one that suits your brand's style. You can customize it by adding your own text, images, and logo. Just drag and drop elements from the right panel onto your email. Make sure to add a catchy subject line and a preview text that compels your audience to open the email. Once you're happy with the design, click Save and Close. This brings you to the final review screen where you can double-check everything. If it all looks good, you can either schedule your email for later or send it immediately by clicking the Send button. Remember, consistency is key in email marketing, so try to send out emails on a regular schedule. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.